I found a home at the Chicago School many, many years ago, and it was always more than a school that prepared you for your career. It really is an evolving way of living your professional life and your personal life and engaging in what's right.
I wanted to go to a school that offered an opportunity to work in the field and just not work from a theoretical stance only. And it's really changed my entire world.
The teaching that you get here, you learn through research, but you learn how to apply that. And I think that's invaluable.
We were one program for so long in one campus, and now we're across the nation, across the globe, over 26 degrees. Our students aren't entering the world just to be a clinical psychologist and only work in a clinical psychologist setting. So many of our students are intermingling in the hallways and they're not from one degree.
The student population has grown, the faculty has grown, so a lot of the programming that we're doing is based upon what the students really want.
We share interprofessional knowledge and experiences with other degrees, law, education, nursing. The model works so well.
As part of some of our classes, they're required to go into the community and provide some sort of service related to whatever it is that they're learning.
The education and the experience really empowered me because I had professors that were in the field, and through experiential learning, I saw what really was out there and what we could possibly do.
We just have a diverse range of international students. They bring such a different worldview to our studies. It's invaluable because it helps all the other students who have just been here in the States and maybe haven't traveled also get that international experience.
I think it is very important to have people from other communities, other cultures to interact. We need to understand the world better. And how else would you want to understand it by being there, being in different situations, being in different environments?
The evolution of the study abroad program has a very interesting history in being one of the first universities to start thinking outside of just a Western perspective.
Without exception, our students tell us that they have been transformed forever as a result of getting on that airplane and immersing themselves in another culture.
We see so much growth from the beginning to the end of a student. And so this becomes more than just a degree, it becomes a journey.
There's 3 people up here who graduated from this school who are still heavily involved with this school. That says something about the relationships you build here. That says something about the people who congregate here.
They have moved into their careers. They've moved into positions of leadership. We had the privilege of being part of watching their lives and their careers and their contributions evolve.